Hello everyone, welcome back to Kinabayang Maestra. In this video, we're going to apply the JAMDAS rule in solving this. Okay, so in this problem or equation, how shall I say that? 10 times 5 plus 3 squared minus 4 divided by 2 times 1. So first, in JAMDAS, we have grouping. So I'm going to solve this first. 10 times 5 equals 50. Arab, anyway. 50. Then next, copy 3 squared minus 4 divided by 2 times 1. Since we're done with the groupings, we're going to proceed to exponent. JAMDAS grouping, then exponent. So let's copy 50 plus, this is 3 squared. It means 3 times 3 equals 9. Minus 4 divided by 2 times 1. So, we have addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. As what the rule states, multiplication or division first before addition and subtraction or subtraction. So we're going to solve first division. Since division yung nauna, solve mo na siya. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then copy times 1. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we're going to times first. This will become 50 plus 9 minus 2 times 1 equals 2. So, since addition yung nauna, over, before subtraction, we're going to add first. 50 plus 9 equals 59 minus 2. So, the answer is 57.